just got the shower, get my clothes on. About to get Jay clothes on. Jay, go over there and do what I said. Take off your stuff so we can get ready. Okay. So we can get out the house to go to her hair appointment. It's at 12, so it's 11. The maintenance man here, well, he just left to go grab something, but fixed a few things. So kind of trying to let him finish what he doing. But I'm gonna hurry up and finish because it is 11:01 and I need to charge up this phone so then I'll be dead. So I'm gonna get back with y'all. Okay, y'all, finally at the house. We're about to stop at the beauty supply so we can get her some hair and some beads. And so my hair came out okay for it to not be like tied up properly, and I'm proud of that because God knows I struggle to do like my hair with like a wig or something like that. I'm not good with it, so I was hoping it was gonna still be put together. I am like super tired. Well, I'm not like tired, but I'm just like been feeling really lazy all week. But it's that time of the month too, so that's probably what it is. So the appointment's at 12. It's 11:49, so we gotta make this really quick. I don't know what's up with this lash. So I got nails on, so it's probably why it's harder, but to put it on. But anyways, we look cute. I hope it don't rain today because it kind of look like it might, but I hope it don't. So I'm gonna go to beauty supply, get the stuff, get to the hair appointment, and then after the hair appointment, I don't know what we'll do, but I do need to go get some household supplies. So I probably will try to go focus on it because I have to clean up today. Like my house is a mess and I gotta get it together. So the skin is skinning. And y'all know how I told y'all how my drain wasn't working and my sink and all of that. The maintenance man came, y'all, and the whole time I just didn't have the drain properly. Like it's a push up. I was supposed to push it down and let it pop up. This whole time I didn't know that, so that was an easy fix. I feel so stupid, but anyways, I'm about to get going, so I gotta hurry up. I ain't got a lick of gas in the car. I'm really lacking, but I'm gonna get it together. We're gonna get the hair first, so. Yeah, we need the hair. Here's your hair right here. It's the hair I get. Hold it.
Now let's find the beads.
This way. Come on, let's go this way.
Find some beads.
Yeah. It's not even so cold outside, Mama, and I didn't put you on this big coat like it's a damn snowstorm. I feel bad. Get you a lighter jacket. Let's see. Come on. Walk up. We gotta find. Yeah. Yeah, I didn't even come in here for these. And I don't know if I'm gonna get them, but I'm considering. Beads.
Those hats look pretty.
Here go the beads. Come on, down here.
Beads. Give me the beads. Where's the beads?
Down here.
Beads. Not beads. Not beads. Hey.
So.
These the beads we need.
Hold on. Oh, let's look at these because I'm trying to see.
Beads.
I think you should just get some clear beads to this time. So get this one right here.
What, this one? These ones? Or the gold ones?
Here.
I think I should get the gold ones.
Gold?
This one look cute in my hair.
Okay. If you want, we'll get it. So we're gonna go beads.
Big old hair.
I'm supposed to find some type of lace on. Y'all, I was gonna get these crops and these slides, but I need to put them back. Oh, because I don't need to do all this extra spending. I have to stick to the script. Come on, Jade. So let me show y'all which ones it was. There's these gray ones. Sorry. I'm just trying to hurry up. Come right here. And it was these yellow banana Crocs. Those are cute. And these are too.
This big old
But they don't have my size in those. So whatever. I gotta find a lace band and get out of here. I need to get some more of these because I'm out, but I'm gonna wait. Let's see. You like it? She put on her gloves. Mommy, let me see you. Yeah. What are we about to do?
We're gonna eat pizza and go to the slime place.
Yeah, girl. You like your hair?
Yeah.
It's so pretty.
I love it.
I let Jay pick out her own beads, y'all. And focus, okay. This is what she picked out. Not a big fan of gold, but this is what she liked and it's cute. So we have pyros. We got our food, y'all. This is my half. This is Jay. She already started eating. We got these cinnamon buns. So. Oh
my God.
I need to get some more.
I thought you were hot sauce.
No. I have to get some more cheese. Scoop these over better.
You can start eating the cinnamon rolls.
No, I'm just trying to scoop the pizza thing closer to me so that I won't be wasting it.
And me? I got
You want some of this?
Sure, I'll just spread on myself. I want lots. Just like that. On the good.
We need to take us some pictures.
Yeah.
We're getting gas, y'all. I didn't have any gas in the car, so came to Kroger's to get some gas. What you got to say?
I'm going to say we're going to a slime.
Yes, we're going to the slimetastic lab place, whatever it's called. I don't know. About to go do that.
Yay!
I'm only gonna put about $30 in. Yeah, first of all, I didn't even check before I got this gas to see how much this gas was. And I hope it wasn't high as fuck. And I know that I could have got it for cheap. I'm gonna be so fucking pissed off, y'all. That's crazy. It's too late now, but whatever. Okay, y'all, we are here. Let's see. So. This is the prices they have. So what you could do, make one explore slime tank. Yeah, that's what we'll do. Turn around. To the back. Okay, come on. Hold your hand on there.
Yeah, we got a lot of right here.
Come on, Mama, pay attention. Rub it together.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Right there. Whatever you want in there.
Don't let me see. Wait. She just tell her. Don't touch it.
I want pink.
You want pink? Okay.
Step right here in the middle. What you want to add in your pink slime?
You do some foam beads, glitter.
Look at that
Get
glitter.
2 options.
I want this one.
Go ahead and grab whichever one.
Do you want, what about
Put
glitter?
on this tray right here.
Look, Mama, what about this color glitter?
Oh yeah, this one.
Okay. It's gonna be cute.
Yeah.
Now choose a charm down there. You see those?
Look, you wanna get a J?
Yeah.
No? What you wanna get? You wanna get J for Jade or
I want to get J.
J? Let's see if I can find you a J.
Y'all still got that? So you'll show you how to make the charm. Let me know.
Oh my. Oh my. I want the ball. The ball charm.
You want this? Pick that up. Let me see it. Okay, you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, Jade. Let's get you a nice scent.
Okay. How you want it to smell?
Gingerbread, strawberry,
Oh, you might like that
birthday cake. You want birthday cake or strawberries?
Strawberry.
Strawberry? Okay.
Yeah, strawberries are top scent. So when you get to the table, you have pink. You're gonna mix everything in this bowl pink, and then you're gonna add small amounts of this activator at a time in your mix. You're gonna use it all, but small amounts as you mix in. This creates the slime, okay? Then once you finish all this activator, you got it all off the bowl, you're gonna dump it on the table, play with it, and decorate it. You got it? Go to any clean table, take the bowl out, and get started.
Let's go pick a table. Let's see.
I want to get
This one? Okay.
this
You want me to help you?
Yeah. Which one should I do first?
Hold on.
I think I gotta do first.
Hold on. So what she said you gotta do is take this, because it's pink. You need to make it pink. You need to mix it. Yeah. And then I'm gonna help you pour small amounts of this. That's how you're gonna make the slime.
I'm stirring it.
Be careful.
It's going pink. Oh my.
Stir.
I'm stirring it. It's so hot. I'm stirring it. It looks like slime now. It's looking like slime. It's really still getting like a little bit white.
Keep swirling. Make sure you get around the edges. Keep going. Want me to help you?
Yeah, no. Look how the chips. Oh yes. Look at that bright pink color. This is red, not pink. My hands are dirty.
It's okay.
I'm gonna try mixing it. She said I love activator. I'm so pretty. There's some red. Oh, it's cute. My hands are so dirty.
Pull it up.
Yeah.
Let's see. I think.
Get off the sides.
So is this how it?
Yeah, when she's squeezing and play with, I see. Yep, it just looks.
Okay.
Because she still has some more white in there.
Okay.
Roll it around. Squeeze is gonna come together.
Squeeze it together.
I could add all of it.
Now mush that around. Mix that up.
Mush it
I think that'll be a good idea. Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. Now add your glitter.
I'm gonna add my glitter. Yeah. Oh, my hands are against.
Oh my God, that is so pretty.
Look at my own slime. I love it. I'm gonna play with it. Yay, my slime is looking cute. I love it.
You gotta put your well, I think you gotta put your charm on there. Your little ball.
She gonna put it on the table and leave with it anyway. Okay. It's gonna be on the table. Oh, your ball?
Oh,
You gonna drop it
let's
on the
see.
floor? Or you gonna get all over
What's
the
that?
floor?
A heart?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, so cute. My baby wrote her name. Jade.
Now
And
you
she
can post
named
your
her.
activator. Post small amount for activator.
She named her
Yeah,
slime
that's activator. Post small
unicorn
amount.
dust. Let's put it in there. Yeah, but you got your hair off.
Ow, ow, ow. You pulled in my hair.
Sorry, Mama. You don't have to have them out. You wear it like this.
Oh.
You don't want it all up on your eye.
Yeah.
Ready?
You ready? Walk very carefully. Very carefully back there.
Okay, come on. Let's go slow so we don't have no slip and fall. Yeah.
Where's that too?
I don't know. This is the slime tank. I don't know. Yeah. I wonder what's gonna happen. Yeah, so back home finally. Like I got home right on time because it started trying to rain, but not like really bad. So Jade is asleep. So while she's asleep, I'm about to go ahead and clean up because my living room is a mess. I have laundry and I still have more clothes that's in the dryer. Led the kitchen, the floors, it's just a hot mess in here. And I need to clean the restrooms as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that while Jade is sleeping. And then once I clean up, I'm probably just gonna chill out. Find me a good show to watch, you know. I want to look at my pictures and see which pictures I want to upload on my Instagram. Okay, y'all, so like I'm just about done cleaning. Like I got everything cleaned. The only thing left I gotta clean is Jade's bathroom, which I started. Like I cleaned her toilet and her sink, but I just gotta mop and sweep her floors and do her mirror. But I have her in the bathtub. I already washed her up. I'm just letting her play with her toys and soak a little longer. Because the floors in my room still drying because I just cleaned up in there. Yeah, see, I got my waist trainer on. Cause who ain't gonna have a summer body, baby? That's the end of this video. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I've been trying to roll videos out back to back for y'all. I got one more video for this week that I gotta do. And then I guess tomorrow or maybe tonight after my baby goes to sleep, I'll sit down, edit, and upload yesterday's vlog. But anyways, thanks for y'all support. I've been getting so much love and support from people and everything. I'm coming, Jade. The floors are drying still. Yeah, I've been getting so many people like messaging me, commenting on my stuff about my videos. It's warming my heart. So I hope y'all continue to support me on my YouTube journey. I love y'all.